The US grid is under pressure. Data centers, manufacturing, electrification. Demand is rising. Flexibility matters more than ever. America's existing power plants still matter, but many operate with limited visibility inside the furnace. That limited visibility comes from relying on downstream O2 that drifts, fouls, and averages furnace imbalance away. Without early in-furnace insight, slagging, hotspots, and tube damage develop before alarms trigger. Combustion doesn't happen at the stack. It happens inside the furnace, across burners, across zones, across changing load conditions. Uneven combustion builds damage unevenly. Late detection turns small imbalances into reliability and emissions risk. Seeing combustion where it starts changes how problems are detected. Zolo SCAN2 provides real-time, in-furnace combustion visibility, by burner, by zone, during ramps, cycling, and steady load. Zolo SCAN2, earlier furnace insight for more reliable, predictable US power generation.